Hello, all of you over there on the other side of the screen. I am Miss Bird. I am your 8th grade science teacher. I also teach ELL science to 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. I started teaching in 1993 in the Kansas City, Kansas School District. I came here to Oregon Trail in 2004. In that span of time, I've taught a little bit of everything. I am certified in all 4 core subjects, but science is really my passion, so I am excited to get back into the general ed 8th grade science world, along with continuing to teach science to my ELL kiddos. So you know that we're all going virtual for the first 2 weeks of school, so that's going to entail a lot of Zoom meetings. You guys have all received videos on instructional videos on how to do the Zoom meetings. I've kind of condensed it a little bit to make it a little bit simpler for myself and to kind of break it down for you guys. So here's what you're going to do when you have Zoom meetings. You are all going to go into Student View or Parent View in order to access those meetings. This is going to allow the students and the parents to see the link from the home page. So to do that, you're going to open your Student View from ClassLink. If you're a parent, you're going to open up your Parent View from whatever app you have. So you're going to type in your username and your password. If time has gone by and you have forgotten your password, there is an area down at the bottom that'll say for you to reset your password. So once you have gotten into the class link for the students, you're going to get into Student View and click on Student View. This is a tab that both of you are going to see. You're going to see I am a parent or I'm a student. So you're going to click on either one, whichever one you're logging in as. Once you log in, again, you're going to enter your username and your password, and then that's going to take you to your home screen. Your home screen, this is where your Zoom links are going to be. So all of your Zoom links are going to be in this area. Not only do you have the Zoom links on this home screen, but you also have this navigation bar. This navigation bar is going to be your portal to everything you need to know. So first off, on the tabs, we have the Messages tabs. With the Messages tabs, if you click on that tab, you're going to be able to view your messages and respond to your messages. Once you open that Messenger tab, all you do is click Close to get out of that Messenger tab. Okay, you also have the Calendar tab. The Calendar tab is another one of those that's going to be a wealth of information. All of your teachers will have, we're not using Google Classroom this year, so all of your teachers will have everything posted here on Synergy and within the Calendar tab. This is going to tell you when all of the assignments are due. Okay, attendance. You will be able to view your own attendance. Starting September 8th, we will be taking attendance. So we'll be taking attendance each hour, so the students are expected to log into their Zoom every hour, and teachers will be taking attendance, and it will be reported. Okay, your class schedule tab. This is another one some of you have probably already started looking at. You need to realize that this is something brand new that we've never experienced before. So class schedules are still being set. They're still being set all the way up until Friday. So what you see on your schedule right now could possibly be different whenever you walk in the door on Monday. Okay, and as I said, here are the video links. These are definitely more in detail. I just went over some of the easy things that you need to know to begin with. But if you'd like some more details, we have the instructional links for Student View and for Parent View. We have them in English and in Spanish. I look forward to seeing all of you on September 8th. Even though I'm not going to be able to see you in person, I look forward to seeing all of you on Zoom. Have a fantastic weekend.